follow the same image, you can see that between the upper and the lower margin of the pectus part of temporal bone, internal acoustic meatus, yes, this is the internal acoustic meatus. Just behind to this internal acoustic meatus, there is one more foramen is located. This is known as the jugular foramen. Yes, this is the jugular foramen. Why it is known as the jugular foramen? Because the internal jugular vein is formed through this foramen. Now see which structures are passing through this internal jugular vein foramen, jugular foramen. This is the next nerve. After the 8th, which nerve is there? Your answer is the 9th. So this is the 9th cranial nerve, and then this is the next cranial nerve, that is the 10th cranial nerve, and the another nerve is there, that is the 11th cranial nerve. So these are the cranial nerves which are passing through the jugular foramen. Another MCQ, that this jugular foramen is the second largest foramen of the skull. Which is the largest foramen of the skull? Definitely the foramina magna, which is located on the back side, through which the brain stem medulla is passing. So these nerves 9, 10th, 11th, they are passing through the jugular foramen. But we are going to see little more detail. This jugular foramen is also having this bluish color structure. What are this bluish color structure? See here, these are the large vein of the cranial cavity, and the large vein of the cranial cavity is known as sinuses. So this is the one blue color cavity which is running transversely. So this is known as transverse sinus. Then this transverse sinus is taking S-shaped course. So this S-shaped structure, we will see this same topic in the sinuses of the brain. Here we will see that this structure is taking exactly S-shaped course. So this S-shaped course is known as sigmoid sinus. Now this sigmoid sinus is passing from the posterior side of this jugular foramen. After this jugular foramen, posterior side, now the same sigmoid sinus is known as the internal jugular vein. Means MCQ, the internal jugular vein is the continuation of the sigmoid sinus. While, can you see, this part is the pectus part of temporal bone. So the vein which is running at the upper margin of the pectus part of temporal bone, that is known as superior petrosal sinus, while the another vein or sinus which is running at the lower margin of the pectus part of temporal bone, that is known as the inferior petrosal sinus. So can you see the inferior petrosal sinus, this one, this inferior petrosal sinus is opening on the anterior side of the jugular foramen. Okay, so how can you remember? Diagrammatic representation. Suppose this is the jugular foramen. So this jugular foramen is having the 3 parts. Anteriorly there is the one sinus or large vein. This is the inferior petrosal sinus, while the middle part is having the cranial nerves. Which cranial nerve? Diagrammatic presentation, 9th, 10th and the 11th cranial nerve. While the posterior part, again it is having the large vein, that is the sigmoid sinus. So here is the sigmoid sinus, here is the 9th cranial nerve, 10th cranial nerve and the 11th cranial nerve, while this structure is the inferior petrosal sinus. So this jugular foramen is having the 3 part. What are the 3 part? Anterior part, middle part, while this is the posterior part of jugular foramen, which is second large foramen of skull. So here I am giving one trick. Yes, this jugular foramen is having the anterior part and the posterior part and the middle part. Anterior part, yes, anterior part there is the structure which can be remembered by the eye, and the posterior part is structure where the sigmoid sinus is passing, and as we know this sigmoid sinus continuation is known as the internal jugular vein. So we can also remember that internal jugular vein is passing through this jugular foramen. So how can you remember? Anterior eye inferior petrosal sinus, posterior eye internal jugular vein, and in between 9, 10, 11th cranial nerve. In Hindi you can remember a poem that आगे आई पीछे आई बीच में 9, 10, 11. आगे आई इंफीरियर पेट्रोजल साइनस, पीछे आई इंटरनल जुगुलर वेन और बीच में 9, 10, 11, 9, 10th, 11th cranial nerve. So these are detail about the internal jugular vein. So now we are going to talk about the next cranial nerve, that is the 12th cranial nerve.